If you've ever tried cleaning your driveway, patio, or deck with a regular pressure washer nozzle, you know how time-consuming and uneven the results can be. That's where pressure washer surface cleaners come in. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best surface cleaners on Amazon based on actual user reviews and performance feedback. Let's begin with the Kärcher 15-inch surface cleaner, a popular pick among both electric and gas pressure washer users. Rated for machines up to 3,200 psi, this model is known for its efficiency and ease of use. Users frequently highlight how it cuts cleaning time in half and delivers a uniform finish without streaks. It features a durable plastic housing and a splash guard skirt, which helps keep the area and operator dry. What makes the Kärcher particularly appealing is its compatibility with a wide range of pressure washers, thanks to the standard Quick Connect fitting. If you're a homeowner looking for a reliable and user-friendly cleaner for patios, sidewalks, and driveways, this is a solid and affordable choice. Next up is the Janz 14-inch stainless steel surface cleaner, which steps things up in both construction and power handling. Designed for use with pressure washers up to 4,000 psi, this unit is ideal for heavier-duty tasks. The stainless steel build ensures long-term durability, and the included extension wands and replacement nozzles are a major bonus. Many users on Amazon praise it for its stability and smooth glide across surfaces, thanks to the 4 heavy-duty casters. It's a favorite among those who need a tool that can keep up with frequent or large-scale cleaning jobs, including commercial applications. Another highly rated option is the Hourleey 14-inch surface cleaner, also built from stainless steel and capable of handling up to 4,000 psi. This one stands out for its consistently high sales volume and excellent customer feedback. With a dual rotating nozzle system and a pair of 17-inch extension wands included, it's a value-packed kit. Users mention how effortlessly it cleans concrete and how durable the swivel mechanism feels, even under regular use. If you're working with a high-powered pressure washer and want something robust without breaking the bank, Hourleey's offering should definitely be on your radar. For those seeking an Amazon's choice option, the LidoDola 14-inch surface cleaner is worth serious consideration. With over 3,000 reviews and a solid 4.4-star average rating, this cleaner combines affordability with effective performance. It features a stainless steel body and 4 swivel casters for smooth movement. Most users report that it drastically reduces cleaning time while delivering even pressure distribution. It's ideal for anyone who wants pro-like results without spending hundreds on commercial-grade gear. While it may not be as rugged as the Janz or Hourleey models, it provides fantastic value for medium-duty residential use. Rounding out the list is the Westinghouse Universal 15-inch surface cleaner, a versatile model that supports pressure washers up to 3,400 psi. What makes this one special is its universal compatibility and ease of installation. It comes with a 1/4-inch Quick Connect fitting that works with most gas and electric washers, making it a reliable go-to for homeowners who already own machines of varying brands. Users like its wide cleaning path and the fact that it delivers consistent results without leaving marks or streaks on delicate surfaces. If you're looking for a balance between power and versatility, the Westinghouse cleaner delivers exactly that. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more expert tool comparisons and product recommendations tailored for smart DIYers and professionals.